Hi friends, in this video we are solving a problem on multiple integrals. Given problem is evaluate integral from 0 to root 2, integral from minus square root of 4 minus 2y square to square root of 4 minus 2y square y dx dy. By the observation we can say this problem is double integral. We are integrating with respect to x and y variables. While integrating with respect to x and y variables in a definite integral, first you have to observe the limits. Here the limits are 0 to root 2. So the limits you can say independent limits. Next here you have a functions of y. You can say functions of y. Functions of y is nothing but it is x limit or y limit. Y limit never be in terms of y. So this is a limit for x. So you can say here x is dependent on y. So first you have to integrate with respect to x. Later we have to integrate with respect to y. Okay, that you have to remember. Now the solution is here. I am doing solution. Now integral from 0 to root 2. I am integrating with respect to x. Is there any x term here? No. You have here y. So keep y left side. Now y coefficient is what? 1. 1 integration with respect to x is what? X. 1 integration is x. Limits from minus square root of 4 minus 2y square to plus square root of 4 minus 2y square into the remaining term what I have? Dy. That's it. Now this is equal to integral from 0 to root 2 y into upper limit minus lower limit. Here you see like you have a numerator, a is in the upper limit and minus a is in the lower limit. So you can get here a minus of minus a means 2a. So I am writing 2 times of square root of 4 minus y square into dy. Okay friends, now we have to integrate this term. How to integrate this one? But here you have a product of two terms. Integrating with respect to y we have to do. But here you have a integrand is product of two terms. One is y, another one is 4 minus y square. Right? That is also in terms of y only. So go for UV rule. But UV rule if you want to apply, is it easy? Or else which method you have to apply? Here friends, you can do this. Different methods we can do. Now method one is let 4 minus 2y square is equal to t. You have to consider. Now I am changing y is in terms of t. So I have to change dy is also in terms of t. So differentiate with respect to y. If you are differentiated, 4 derivative is 0, minus 2 is a constant, y square derivative is 2y. So you will have minus 4y into dy is equal to dt. Okay. Next, you have a limits also. Limits also you have to change. What are the y limits here? You have y lower limit is y limits are 0, upper limit is root 2. Now t lower limit I want. If you put y is 0, what you are getting t is 4 minus 0 is 4. Next, substitute y is equal to root 2 here. So root 2 whole square is 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So t is equal to 0. So t lower limit is 4, upper limit is 0. Clear? Now to substitute in the above equation, then we will have integral. Lower limit of t is what? 4. Upper limit of t is what? 0. Next here you have a 2y dy. Here minus 4y dy is there. So what you can write dy as y dy, what I can write? Y dy is equal to dt by minus 4. So I am writing 2 outside first. First I am writing 2 outside. Y dy is there. You see y dy. Y dy what I am writing? dt by minus 4. dt by minus 4. But first inside also I will write here square root of inside of the bracket 4 minus 2y square is t. Next y dy is I can write as dy by minus 4. dy by minus 4. This is minus you can take outside. Then you will have 2 by minus 4 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 integral from 4 to 0 root to t dt. Now this is t in form like a root t is nothing but t power 1 by 2. Okay, now minus 1 by 2 into 4 to 0 e to the power of 1 by 2 dt. Now t power n integration n naught is equal to minus 1. You have t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. What is 1 by 2 plus 1? D by 2. So I am writing directly d by 2 divided by d by 2. Okay. Now the lower limit is here what I have? 4. Upper limit is here 0. Okay. Now I will simplify. Later I will substitute these values. Now here 2 to getting cancelled. Then you will have here outside minus 1 by 3. Lower limit of 0 if I substitute. 0 power 3 by 2 is 0. Minus 4 power 3 by 2. 4 to the power of 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. Friends, you see minus of 4 you can write 2 square. Why I am writing 2 square means this 3 by 2 is there. So square and this by 2 is getting cancelled. Okay. So 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This square and root getting cancelled. Then you will have a minus 1 by 3 times of minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube means 8. So minus 8 into minus 1 by 3 is nothing but what? 8 by 3. So you got the answer is what here? In the method 1, you have 8 by 3 is the answer. Next method 2 you can do. Okay. Now you see method 2 how I am doing. Friends, you see here you have a integral first 2 times of integral 0 to root 2. Okay. Here you have a y and a square root of 4 minus 2y square. Yes or no? 2y square into dy. Now, friends, actually, this is you can write a integral from 0 to root 2. 2 here you have y. This root you can write as power 1 by 2. So 4 minus 2y square whole to the power of 1 by 2 dy. This is substitution method. Without substitution, I am doing. Okay, you can use calculator also. By using calculator also, you can get friends. Okay, anyhow. Now, bracket derivative is here product of two terms is there. We have formula. Which formula means if f dash of x into f of x power n dx is there, nothing but if you consider f of x as a bracket power n is there, bracket derivative is beside there, then you will have bracket power plus 1 by power plus 1, bracket power plus 1 by power plus 1. Like that I am rearranging this one. Minus bracket what I have 4 minus 2y square. What is the derivative of this? Minus 4y. Is there outside? No. So what I am doing means here I already have a 2. So multiply with minus 2, divide with minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 times half. Integral from 0 to root 2. This is 4y. This is 4 minus 2y square whole to the power of 1 by 2 dy. Now you observe bracket derivative is this side. So bracket power plus 1 by power plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 is outside. So bracket is here 4 minus 2y square. Power plus 1 by power plus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2. So this 2 and here 2 getting cancelled. Limits from 0 to root 2 friends. Now this is minus 1 by 3. If I substituted upper limit, this is root 2 whole square is nothing but what? 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So upper limit is 0. If I substituted lower limit, 2 times of 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 means 4. 4 to the power of 3 by 2. 4 to the power of. So you see this one and earlier one same only. Minus of minus plus. This is 2 cube you can add 8. 8 by 3 is the. Okay. So this is a substitution method friends. Here I have done directly which formula I have used means this formula I have applied. Friends, you can do this one by using calculator also. In the calculator you enter these values. Okay. You can get the solution directly. Single integration Casio calculator is there. So you can get. I will show you this one if you want. Okay. Now you see friends here I am doing with the calculator integration symbol where you have calculator here. Press this button. Here first you have a y, so write down y, but here you have a dx term friends. So treat this entire term in terms of x. In place of y you feel in place of y is nothing but x you write down enough in the calculator. Okay, because in the calculator you have only dx term. Line integral only we can do. We cannot do double integral, triple integral. Okay, only with respect to x you can do. Y is there, so I am converting. Anyhow, you see integral. Here I have a x alpha. This closed bracket gives x square root of. Here I have a square. Here 4 minus 2 alpha x square. Now the limits are here. What I have limits? Lower limit is 0. Lower limit is 0. Upper limit is root 2. 2 is upper limit. Now the lower limit is now you press is equal to button, it will calculate and it gives us the solution. This is 1.33. Okay, 8 by 3 also if you done. Here actually you have a 2 outside. So 2 times of 1.3 is nothing but here you will get a Which value you will get here? 2.666. Okay. Now, anyway, if you have a doubt, friends, you see 8 by 3, you do it. 8 divided by 3 2.666. Clear? So both will be same. You can write directly, just verification purpose only. But in the exam, it is not easy task. Okay. In the exam, sometimes we will get like a, division form. Sometimes we will get in digits also. Okay. Anyhow, thank you for watching this video.